Imagine holding a phone in your hand that feels faster, slimmer, and smarter than anything you've ever used before. That's exactly what Samsung is preparing with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the leaks and reports are making it sound more exciting than ever. We're talking about a design upgrade, massive improvements in performance, powerful new camera features, and even faster charging. And here's the interesting part. It's not just the Ultra that's getting an upgrade. All three models in the S26 lineup are going through big changes. The first major update we're hearing about is in the memory department. The S26 Ultra is reportedly shifting to LPDDR5X memory, which increases its speed from 9.6 gigabytes per second to 10.7. To put that in simple terms, it means faster RAM and smoother performance. Unlike companies that throw in 16 gigabytes or more of RAM that most people never actually use, Samsung is focusing on speed, and this makes a real difference. Not only will it make the phone feel faster, but thanks to the new process used to manufacture this memory, the chip is smaller and more power efficient. That means better battery life and also a thinner, sleeker phone design. Now let's talk cameras. Earlier rumors suggested a completely new sensor, but reliable sources say the S26 Ultra will still use the HP2 sensor, this time with an f/1.4 aperture instead of the older f/1.7. This small but important change means the camera will capture more light, giving you less noise, lower ISO levels, and far better low-light photography. For people who love taking night shots or shooting in tricky lighting conditions, this is going to be a game changer. Charging speed is another exciting area where we're finally seeing improvement. Reports strongly suggest the S26 Ultra will support 60W fast charging, up from the previous 45W. That's a huge jump and something fans have been waiting for. Although there's still debate about the battery size, some say it could be 5,500 mAh, others believe it'll stay at 5,000 mAh. The idea of a thinner phone makes the bigger battery less likely. Still, with better efficiency and faster charging, battery performance should feel noticeably improved. And here's something really interesting. All three S26 models, including the standard S26, the S26 Edge, and of course the Ultra, are expected to be slimmer. The Edge model in particular is rumored to be replacing the Pro model this year, keeping a super slim profile while delivering premium features. While we don't yet have the full picture of the design, one leaked image shows Samsung may be bringing back a raised camera bump, a design choice we haven't seen in years. It might feel unusual, but this could give Samsung more internal space while keeping the overall design sleek and modern. We're also hearing that bezels are going to be trimmed down even further, and the display may be slightly larger. Some renders have already been created to give us an idea of what the S26 Ultra might look like, and honestly, it looks stunning in hand. Of course, the official launch is still months away. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S26 series in January. Until then, we'll keep seeing new leaks and teasers pop up, and I'll be keeping you updated the moment they drop. So, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, because the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones Samsung has ever made.